Take the chair away.
He's a good baby.
Wait. Oh.
Alright.
Alright. Where is it?
Alright. There you go. I wanted a throwdown.
Maurice gonna
Maurice.
win. He's gonna win.
He is, and Maurice likes to beat kids, just so you know.
No touching the chairs. No touching the chairs.
See, cheaters.
No leverage.
Cheaters. They need to be picked out right now. And Maurice ready to sit down every time he comes around. Look at Maurice. You think I'm kidding?
Yeah.
You watch, it's gonna come down to those kids.
She has an advantage.
I'm out. All right, take a chair away. Give me that chair, Mike.
Zoe probably played this last week.
Yes, you did. We're all
Little girl.
not with Maurice, but little girl. She's beating him. Oh, I gotta give him a round of applause. Take a chair.
One chair? How do you do that?
Yeah, how does it work with one chair?
Uh-oh.
Mike.
Uh-oh.
Anybody got dibs on the next game?